How do you perform integration testing when a vendor application is a black box for you?
So I think I touched some of this. This is one of the challenging things. Many times I came across that I produced the bad test outcome, basically. I did everything is working just fine. Very like outcome from the front end is good. In the our API is good. Our database is good. Well, I don't know any of this because I don't have the access permission of the system at all. So I don't have any. I did not have the web interface access that where I can actually verify something. And some of the APIs they have, because the challenge of the white labeling, the proxy is blocking. I actually stopped the testing really. So what happened when I started creating the sometime 2 or 3 times I remember I create them. I actually basically noise things basically. I create the bug and this is not bug. So then I said, well, why not? I cannot get the access permission of the system then. So I said, why not? I also get the web portal access permission, at least for the testing and staging. I don't need the development. So once I got the access permission, I had to go through a lot of the process to get the access permission. Once I got the access permission, I actually created the accurate bug. Before I was creating the bug based on our system, but then once I got the access permission, I was able to verify every test like the point in each of the platform. Then I created the bug with the details like the description expected on the front end, expected from the back end, expected and actual from their system, including the trigger and the notification. So sometimes they do not give the access permission, but when we create the bug, this is not a real bug, and we don't know if it is real or fake. In that case, I actually proactively ask for the access permission so that I create the genuine bug and reduce the noise, because the creating a bug, it can create the noise if it is not a genuine bugs.